Let me tell you something. Your photos suck. Now, I don't mean to be harsh, but I'm saying that because your photos don't have a purpose. And what I mean by that is photos are a memory or a glimpse of whatever happened in that moment. So that's one of the reasons I became a photographer. I wanted to capture moments. So if you're taking photos of something that's cool looking or something that's just there, sure, it'll look cool. And sometimes those are just some of the good photos to have here and there. But if you want to have purpose and if you want people to appreciate your photos both artistically but as memories as well, then having some kind of storytelling in your photos is crucial. Now going back a little bit, when I used to take a lot more portraits, I used to just take them of people in certain locations and doing different things, but very random. It wasn't really, there was no purpose of us being there. There was no real meaning behind it. And like I said before, those are sometimes the best shots if you just want to have a normal like random Instagram post, but even when I did events and I had certain shots of people dancing, for example, and I would get the shot of them just in motion, getting certain events where I would take pictures. When you have someone that's looking somewhere and doing something, or like they're talking to someone, interacting, or there's like a moment where they're smiling and laughing at each other, or there's lights that are moving around, so it creates this cool effect called shutter dragging, then you have a purpose and a meaning behind your photo. For example, I'll put some pictures up that I took of a recent event. I took pictures of them dancing, and sure, there's some where they're frozen in time and you can get a kind of a glimpse of what the dance was. But let me show you later in the night where I took photos of people dancing in groups and everything, and instead of taking just up the stopping the motion, I shutter dragged it. And by doing that, you create motion and life into the photo, and that automatically shows like a mood. It shows the energy of the photo, so you get a lot more out of that photo when someone views it. Now, before we continue on with this video, be sure to like and subscribe down below so you can see more of these videos. Anyway, let's get right back into the video. Even other examples, so let's say we're talking about an airline. Let's say you're taking a picture of a plane and you have like 3 people standing in front of it. That shows scale. That shows purpose of, wow, this is a big airplane and this is what the new airplane is for this company, rather than just having the airplane there and there's nothing really there, it's just an open field. These are all just random examples I'm literally calling off the top of my head, but my point is, if you have purpose to what you're making in terms of photo, video, whatever, you're gonna get a lot more out of it, both artistically and also from everyone else as well. Just think about it. If you have people who are knowledgeable about certain topics like photography and videography, and they find it interesting, then you've clearly done something right in your photo. And again, there's not to say that photos who don't have a purpose are necessarily bad, but I definitely think that having some kind of detail that is crucial to the storytelling of the photo is immensely better, and also it just has more reason to view it and value it. So I really hope you enjoyed the video and got some value out of it. If you liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe down below so you can see more of these videos. And if you want to follow me on TikTok or Instagram, please feel free to follow me over here somewhere. It'll pop up. And I really hope you enjoyed this video and got some value out of it. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Bye.